Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 707. Here you have the arm with the new PSB polyurethane bushes and their sleeves having been removed. When removing the original rubber bushes from this arm, burn out the rubber, leaving the outer casing still intact within the arm. Clean out the housings thoroughly before installing the new bushes. Lubricate the inner as well as the outer part of the bushings before installing. This can be done very easily using a press or otherwise a bench vise. Once you have inserted the bushings into the arm, you can easily insert the metal sleeves simply by using a rubber mallet. And there you have our fully installed PSB 707 bushings. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.